So,
Well,
thanks.
I won't necessarily record the whole time, but whatever is relevant.
Okay. So in this meeting, we're going to move along pretty quickly through the introduction because there's not a lot of time to hack. But we'll say hacking will end around 4:30. Given that it seems like a relatively small group, we might push a little closer to 5. We'll see. And then the wrap up will have a quick and I express very quick, maybe 2-minute at the most, talk about what you've worked on, and give away some trophies at the end. So I want to say thanks to our sponsors, who are Meta and TikTok, for this session. And so the goals of this hackathon are to learn a little bit about differential privacy, if you're not familiar with it, to learn how to use the OpenDP library, potentially help the OpenDP project if you've written something that might be useful, and meet other users and developers, other researchers. This is a very non-competitive hackathon. Highly motivated to collaborate with other people and talk about what you're working on. So have fun with it. So at the end, we'll have some awards based on originality or creativity. And the structure of this is very open. You propose your own project. You could think of an idea that you might be able to prototype in just a few hours, preferably using OpenDP because we're a little biased. And anything related to privacy is totally fine. So collaboration is encouraged. Suggest finding some other people. 2 to 4 people is a good number. And you'll also have to specify a team name. So if you follow this QR code, it'll take you to a Google Sheet where you can write your name down and the people in your team. Remote or hybrid's fine. But if you want to get a prize, you need at least one on-site person. Because we're not going to ship those prizes. In terms of projects, it could be anything from just making a DP release, if you're relatively fresh to DP, to prototyping an algorithm, or using OpenDP to solve a problem in your domain. I think I've had talks with a lot of people in here about like specific algorithms they're wanting to implement. So we'll take that time to debug and walk through the process. Great. At 4:30, we're going to have a lightning round. Choose someone from your team to talk about what's done. And if the code doesn't run, that's fine. We only have a few hours here, so we'll move quickly. We have OpenDP staff here to help you. Chuck is on the team. You might be able to help provide some advice on OpenDP library APIs. And of course, I'm very familiar with the library, and Yanis is also very familiar with the library as well. So he's presenting with me. One thing to look at in particular is the plugin APIs. There's a place for those in the OpenDP documentation. If you go to docs.opendp.org and Google plugin, you'll find those docs. All right, and let's go. I should go back one slide. I say let's go, and that slide doesn't have the QR code on it, so I'm going to keep that up there. All right, let's have fun.
For a non-technical thing, we were talking about proofs in the last section, and so I went to OpenDP GitHub issues proofs, and I can't find any missing proofs.
Yeah, so I'm are able people able to find
Yeah,
this?
so like writing a proof is also something you can do in the time. There's a milestone. If you go to the GitHub repo and go to issues and milestone. There's a list of them that you can look at.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
So wanted to use like PCA or the floor. Yeah, that's probably a better question.
So, you know, you have a class, maybe bound it.
Okay, what if
That's
Yeah, but it's sometimes.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, we could do that one. That was cool.
So.
He said, we're gonna.
Yes. Oh, what happened to your? Oh, yeah, you see, that was on TPDP, so.
Yeah.
I brought in my other. You guys. Before I came here, I was thinking of evaluating private PCA. There's like one usually PCA that's DP on them.
Yeah.
And I wanted to see either it's just like a target or
Particularly higher.
evaluate. Oh, because the person.
Yeah.
That's like.
Oh, it's so. Okay.
Wait, which algorithm did you implement there? Because I saw there.
Yeah, yeah, time scares me, but fine. Well, we're good, like, you read the document, just scan QR code. Oh, nice. Squirrel data set, yeah, squirrel. What's their not the? Oh, you know, yeah. That's it. Where is it? Is it in the?
The QR code.
Those can
be,
What?
particularly excited by this Google Drive I put together.
Okay.
That's the reason why. On the advertising.
And then are you working with someone? Are you doing something by notes? Huh? Okay.
You're welcome to join a team if you'd like, though.
But like,
Oh, wait, no, you're one of the volunteers. Yeah, no, sorry. Yeah, I forgot you were volunteering. No, I genuinely forgot.
We have a question.
I'm gonna implement.
Yeah, we have to. Sure.
Yeah, I mean.
With it already in the places.
You have question. I don't know, really.
Yeah, good. Very good. I'm saying that. They're pretty good. Because
I mostly do have else stuff.
that was the idea. So it was the only like. Experience.
yes.
I see. Because you added like a stuff like.
We have all of
Do you want my backstory? Yeah. That is cool as that here. Microsoft. Oh, it's in that.
Yeah, we can look at it.
Mine was talking I'm the expert of the Rust.
We have like priority in terms of.
Yeah, let me send it to you.
Oh, here we go.
Let me send it to you all.
We're coming up on a stage.
I guess it's
Cool like that, it's like.
There's a cool use case. The use case was the.
So it's a there's like a data set somewhere.
like that one. I don't know, maybe sales stage, but.
Well, I think we would love you that.
Yeah, for sure, we're gonna build that.
Well,
somewhere,
I sent it to
They're going to make.
Several reasons why.
But also if you open it.
Yeah. I needed at least one example.
Yes, can you explain all of differential privacy to me? Yeah.
It's not just something that.
What's the point?
Use on your own.
0 out of 10 help.
The shortest
explanation of TP that actually made sense in my head. I'm not gonna lie. And my advisor has been doing that for a year and there was
What does his flag?
It lets you do things.
I see, so.
You don't build.
I wouldn't know how to answer that question.
I saw the source code, but.
Yeah.
Like internally, it's it's all from you guys.
Yeah, but that's something that's very aligned with what we know how to do. Like we could crank that out in 20 minutes, but we're part of the team. Oh, no, it's not the same one. Your goal is to, what is your goal is to learn how to use the OpenDP library. Right, so you have to concentrate on some data set and learn something about it. Right. So I imagine your goals for this are similar, right? You want to learn how to use some of the tools.
It's all like you kind of call it like.
There are a few things, like there are starter ideas.
Floating point being this function has already the
I was reading the source code first and there was this application. I was like, maybe this could go good.
and everything else.
There's no like the ICU of what broken language.
Wait, which one? Oh, is this something from the starter solutions or you just say? Wait, which one? I can't remember. Which row number is?
Chain make like a mechanism. You're right.
I don't know what.
Like all the other boxes.
I don't usually.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So, but like,
Make this chain of operations. That's
if it doesn't work, it's fine too.
it's overloaded the bit shifting operation. Hopefully it's not
If it doesn't work, just a little implementation.
Yeah.
Not actually.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take the data set from one that our bigger guy.
I wanted to go see if you want to work with somebody else, just something else at school.
But us.
Yanis, we already got from my, but
Oh, yeah, we don't have to.
we need help understanding what the prices.
Prices, so it's not like, you can find the square cash price, high, very high price. It's just trophies.
when you use your data that looks like that, what do you use DP for something like IPM?
Physical chart on my desk.
The random number. How do you
It's a big code.
Yeah, so, to try and imagine you want.
TikTok and
Really?
I think it's.
Probably, how does it violate?
It's an actual chart. Put it in.
So, if you try to do it.
So the context is.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Oh, I wasn't this real sense. I'm not doing the squirrel, just wanted to see what it is. They actually have another. Like.
the map or you the first few bits, so you don't specify.
There's no restrictions. Missing that.
No, it's I had this idea of evaluating
The
private appreciation.
inside
yeah.
the data.
Yeah, that's the.
I don't know which status.
It's Like in that setting.
Be in.
I think I'll play around with it. For this. You would think
I
you're-
think what you should, you will. Once you first move from prior to the sketch. It's a smart masters crowded scheme.
I think like, I want very strict colors.
Before, yeah, I,
And then after that, we could.
99, it's kind of my-
Launch it. Actually,
Yeah, for sure.
I was interested in like how do people, the IPs that are. What's your team name?
I don't know.
Are you guys all working?
Yeah,
we're trying to figure out.
but we also trying to figure out what the in, so. Parameters of privacy.
Just evaluate it. Or like. Regular PC.
An idea.
UPS keyboard.
You guys have a good sense of what's going on?
Yeah. We're set up with the documentation.
Financial
Yeah, I was gonna ask which one.
Seeing the use. The private and the non-private. I've seen some pretty rough. From like PCA.
Oh, and broad data. And so I see there's user ID, IP address. You're smart, so you get to know about these. Offhand, I'm not sure.
I'm not the first thing, but that's for.
You're not making this.
Any basic networking software. So how to read that?
You have this means lower bound IP address and upper bound.
It's great. All your libraries.
I think that's the range of addresses. That's the way
Oh,
with that.
oh.
Yeah.
Also, I don't know why that's just.
All the.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's because it's between both.
This.
Right. So
Wait,
wait, we should probably.
Is anyone okay? Are you scared of project?
Like, we have a question about a data set. No, why do the IP addresses, why do the IP addresses have a decimal?
Why would that they use the ideas? Am I?
Did you see the seconds? Yeah.
Hours.
Yeah, no, it's.
Oh, okay.
So that also.
So ways to the IP addresses.
One thing I was wondering.
I see. I see.
I think I'm still only working in this. Right, everything else clear and out some.
Yeah, just go to.
I think what it's saying is that, like, you look at the IP address and then you map it to, the tree like this. And there's no question about which IP address is from which country. Be like, you ignore the decimal. I might be
So
tempted.
just like, so let's.
I'll take a shot on the side.
Yeah.
I see. So, that's like, if it's important for your design.
It's funny, both the old address.
Yeah.
I think evaluating is say comparing it.
Yeah.
Checking. Yeah, that's.
Something happened.
Which I have no idea which ones they are. I would have to figure it out.
Specifically proud about the
There's a test.
the panel study of it. So it makes it interesting.
In the tests, it,
I'm going very slow. Very usually.
You go here.
What happens next year? They're gonna be first year.
Yeah, that's the point. There should be some more.
Good data set.
Okay, I mean, I think that's like a good sanity check, but
It's just, that's all it is. It's just.
Yeah, just click on the profile.
You're looking at this.
Are there keys and projects written in one of the sheets or that's, no, that the sheets are just ideas for.
just ideas first.
Still kind of formatting.
Didn't hear any team name. We have decided, yeah, we're just looking at it.
I don't know if we have. You're just casually going through. That's good. You can then get like.
What's the name of it? So, no, I just defined all the it's here. I was going through.
So
Oh, wow. That was Yanis, actually. Thank you for the JSON, for the dictionary keys and everything. That is very.
It's all the bounds, all the.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't, we just made it so that we can use the database.
There is a smart.
It shows.
So.
It is niche.
Get into the data, Shoemate has and PSID. Right?
The one thing I will say about PSID is that it is time series. So I would expect this number to go up this column year over year. There is some notion of time for this data set, and that's the
Just.
Yeah.
There's some.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
No, but I'll find it. Just wanted to make sure I'm on the right thing.
I can point it out.
future.
Okay, that's.
It's not available on all the stuff.
Yeah.
Do you have the code checked out?
No, not yet. I mean, it would take me a while to find out.
No, I will send you a link.
This makes sense where that.
Yeah.
Like when you're still your ability in balance. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It should be.
There's way more than 150 rows to this. No, it's probably just that Google Docs was only showing.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. So it looks like there are 42,700. What is yeah, but it stands for, I mean, they told us, camel study of income benefits. Professionals, we're just looking at the data. We're just looking, so you mentioned that this is a time series. There is a year in this year, and you have, identifier 4001 is gonna have multiple. Yeah. It's blocked by year, and it's 10 years, it's from 87 years. I also have a few.
I'm sure the biggest stakeholders.
Yeah. I need to ask for the.
Oh, I don't have.
That's why it's considered that. So every single one of these will now be a.
Oh,
Different feature. Yeah, okay. Yeah. We'll also work with this. Yeah, we'll let you know.
All of my questions.
What's it? We're taking and again to figure out the actual Hackathon. Can we do that?
We could audit it. At the latest, if they're adding positive.
If we use the small.
Yeah, okay, that's what you want to do. Maybe I'm wrong with the overthrow and so. That's a big one. Well, what do you want to release those updates?
Alright, so I don't know how many, I mean, I don't know how many actually. Okay, fix something.
There's a lot of them, right?
Let's see. Age is going to be,
Also, just remember, so for example, this POV, the first one, 4,000 units. We have multiple rows of this person throughout the years.
but there's only one. Oh, wait. What if we partition only 1 year?
It's like the binary tree.
This is true. We don't have to.
Right, it's 1 year. And then
Then you add the plants,
so you will predict.
you add the plants to your measurements. And then you.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
And then,
And the other ones to go for that.
I'm also just checking to see how many how many actual like. You can if you want to understand. Oh, I split that fine. That's first. How many actual unique IDs we're working with, like if we work with that.
oh, wait. I was actually going to make it stress so that we can.
Oh, please, please.
So I searched for OpenDP documentation for the mobile. And it brought me a like version 0.2.0. And I was reading those. This okay.
I think like 4,380 individual people. But that's what that moves back. And it goes to the next year.
Oh, yeah, you also ended up in old version of the documentation.
0.4.
Oh, you've got a better browser, I think. Better search engine.
Yeah, because I need to define it so it gets to be.
Oh, right. You can't just load the dates online.
Yeah.
Like what's the data?
It'd be nice if like the fourth.
Data frame, like,
Nice.
how many columns are there?
How many columns? Let's see. There are. Yeah, okay, the next one.
It's sure there's a 2-year-old.
Yeah, not all. If we work with the data set, I would like to have a plan components to it. Like the whole point of the data set is that you like having your event, right? So it's like instead of doing like an add remove relation of one row, you want to do an add remove relation of one entire user, which is moving throughout time. So it's multiple rows. So if you understand. That to me is like, if we were to do a project here, that's what I would like to see. But that would be harder, the other
PPS can learn
data sets would not have.
there's no
this.
access to PPS can learn the composition be saved. Not just the composition. It's not learning, it's just everything saved.
I feel like, like user level differential privacy. I feel like that makes sense in this time too.
It's in darkness and then all the moment. And then.
I guess it's privacy.
Whatever.
Are there said it's. Yeah. Yeah, that's not hard.
Okay.
It's in terms of the precision. Here's like most. For times, that's good to know. That's very good to know.
Construction of the IQ and. Looking at the data is more manageable. And then working.
But do you want to work with the time?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Keep the time component.
But let's focus on 1 year.
No.
He wants many years, so what I'm saying is because this is years, if we keep multiple years, let's reduce the number of users we're looking at also. Because otherwise there's too much information.
If we use that just once.
No,
Per time
per
step.
time steps.
Per year.
So if there's 5 years, one user, there's 5 steps. I'm saying let's not, look at all the. Work with fewer rules and all.
Let me double check.
Okay, so. One person per year. So it's not like they took. So like.
So if you focus on 1 year. So
Yeah, but that defeats, in my opinion, that's the whole point of this, the whole point of this data set. So that's all I'm saying. Like if we do this data set, I would like to see a template.
Yeah.
We see kind of new as well.
Mechanics work, but maybe I can.
So all the users like.
Oh, you mean just with Polar?
Yeah.
I'm not familiar.
Okay.
with that.
Oh, so they got the same track.
Overhearing.
Okay, so yeah.
Let's say all the overhearing ones.
Yeah.
Probably groups.
Yeah, no, I would
Yeah, you
expect
could
that.
group by.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But now we need to
And
get the
then-
actual, like, what do we want to do with this data?
Sort by.
So we could train some sort of predictive model. We could, take the role of, we want to report this data on histogram. And for these histograms, we could do that in just to.
So this is,
By the way, to clear about what I mean by histogram in this case.
if you go back to.
Oh, that's the output. That's it.
Yeah, so it's like, the x-axis would be like, here we have numbers for states, for the states that people grew up in, so we can do it, 5 people grew up in Georgia, but we report 5, but 2 plus some get some noise.
But then most of this is still.
How do we deal with this relation?
Like, entries are not independent.
Yeah, because I think when I did.
Yeah, so then our add remove relation would be removing, let's say. They took this data over 5 years. Yeah, so it'd be like adding or removing 5 rows. Histogram does not change that.
Or like just like if you count and then just divide by 5, you get.
We can go into that semantics later. That's the point is it can be done. We have bigger problems right now. Than that would be the thing. So it'd be like adding 5 rows or removing 5 rows from this data set will not change our histogram significantly.
I could actually look at all things.
Speak that makes a lot of sense. Like what's the difference? Doing something.
Yes.
Big.
Yes.
I'm gonna start working on script that just uses us instead of the user IDs and all this.
That's the side on the programming language. I think it's great. But I'll do your platform. Yeah. You honestly, you don't have a laptop. So you actually don't care.
You don't know, if you wanna program,
No,
Yeah, it wasn't super bad at programming, so you have to be there, like, like I don't.
It's not
executing it, right?
Yes.
So I think we could like change the table into it.
Are you aware of like first, I guess we can kind of share Google folders. I was gonna say like there are places we can all code on the same. Oh, this is the same.
No.
Yeah, that's what we would call that, right? You focus on loading the data.
I don't think you can get this working.
But let's get going, probably still. I think.
No, that's a good point. You can.
That's why I was gonna shrink.
Yeah, shrink it and then we put that. into the
Okay, yeah. But you also have to tell me what.
Yes, good point. A good point. Let me get started on that.
Look at
Well, very
the
well.
because it defines people, data types and what it
Because
It's interesting because we run the documentation and we like to do several.
more than right now.
Just restart the kernel because you can see how.
That's what.
Yeah,
I was
yes.
wondering.
Okay, no, no.
Why is it that we?
Like it's either.
So it seems like the input method is absolutely.
Like here.
But I was wondering why that. Something.
Yeah.
We don't specify. We certainly need to specify.
It's still binary. but-
Yeah, just definitely.
Yeah, it's specified.
You were alone.
Distant.
No, the actual response.
I'm not sure.
You have like a Boolean type. And it's use an integer to store a binary. It's like saying you have 0.
Yeah, I think.
Like it's an integer you will reserve.
Standard says this all the
64
time, where sometimes you just need to specify
bit.
columns or
You should always use a Boolean. Like to store a Boolean value.
They need.
And that only allows 0 or 1 because it's not false.
This has to be.
And that will return 1 or 2. So if you try to think of Boolean of the next 2, you're going to become, and that's the actual reason why. And from the computer science point of view, you want to use your own. Let's ask ChatGPT, just a suggestion.
Yeah, big columns that would be, you know, controversial maybe.
Yeah. I've never heard of Hispanicity though. That's fun.
If you create a machine which has.
Let's get their own.
Yeah. it's- how many different-
Already don't call up just.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't have a quotation.
Zero by 6,500.
It's just really.
Yeah.
Actually, wait, good question. Let me, because like there's a typical. Data sets, like for example, this data set, gives you. The target variable, so I want to predict another. And the point of the both is
All the
that,
operations are replaced.
sex and it's just are the two most highly correlated. So what I want to do is to, okay, listen, understand. I want to see.
Also,
there's
yeah,
like, something like. That we can.
Oh, yeah, I think PDs are.
Like, it also. It can be, just. But if there's no clear prediction of the variable, that's just.
Yes,
I
I guess.
It's very simple.
Yeah,
So I'm not studying things like that.
Oh, okay.
It's also the speed of
Okay, so this should be.
Nice. And the local difference. English with that nation point and
Okay, so should I do it like on the main living word?
You can try doing like the percent.
Okay.
Oh,
let's go.
So for the floors, like, just randomized response in each dimension.
It's only like with change over time.
Really just.
Like
That's why
things,
make it.
men or women to reach out over time. We have the same.
Yeah, this parameter is channels. Which actually acts as like. And what that does is gain.
7% runs it from.
I've forgotten there was. So I did, I say. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's like. I don't want to.
Or person this installs 0.9, so I mean this kernel is on. Not to play.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you got an older Python. So
Right.
yeah.
But I guess they should fix it, because I.
This is one of those that we income labor total. Last year labor.
Yeah, so the.
It's not a.
So, yeah, see, there's one coding it. That's you see.
Honestly, I feel like I would like, if we have a small number of individuals, I feel like keeping also if you call it's not a new bad storage. Honestly. Like, yeah, it's feel like.
I never use it.
That we would like to have.
It's just a machine. So create a machine. And then you use it. Let's. Like as.
That's why I was trying to get it.
Like two people. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not used to this, like, bro, you get used to. So I think we converge to have this on the stages. And call we might see my panel study thing. The trumpet is on us. We have like something like and a lot of background information in one person across time.
A little bit.
To know how their argument changed for time. And we have to release private Instagrams. Things like. How much Richard didn't get it.
Now I can. It's
So we have accessibility. We like features in the Canvas, we saw these like the small data set. And it was the text, one person understands it to the data set. It's not like it service.
It has to be, it has to be.
Paper installations. Yeah.
I guess I can't, yeah, I can't use this. Properly.
Which how you can. You can check.
Once now, yeah.
I feel him being.
Yes, so we have.
Data science.
Set up your contact, you can say.
Yeah, this is my lead code interview right now. My can I search? The internet.
Even when you were to do. Your congregation is.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. There's a way to do that all in.
Yeah.
We can try to roll the week. Yeah.
So, one limitation around this is that.
Oh,
Because I need a way to.
now you find solutions.
That's cool.
Also, you think like, so we can't do a noisy histogram with the key value.
So you can do like a stability histogram
Floating point errors.
Oh, I see.
So I thought.
I see, I don't know, I think
The
you.
history.
Oh,
You know, what, check.
But if it's Gaussian, then I haven't been down.
Yeah, I mean, you probably.
Well, no, no, there yet. Like this.
There is.
There is just.
So it's the idea that we're processing. Library or we're creating something kind of analogous to.
Well, you have some essential grad student implements your brain in real time. Okay.
I lived there. When I was doing my science project, like said,
The weather was very nice. I mean, I prefer moving. It's like the main thing for me.
Like,
Here's like oh yeah. We figured out I created the better schools. Oh, so the code of the set was
Yes, there's way.
yeah, it's split some for scans. It's like when you
We will need to, because do we wanna, work, multiple students?
Yeah. Hoping to open an issue on the. The error that it threw actually
So like,
says
you know,
like.
each
for
student
scans,
is gonna partition the data set into.
Oh, that seems like it's something. It's like.
And so there we don't need it.
But like, I mean,
It's one theory.
Okay.
Is what I'm trying to say. So we screen as a grants of the composition. But you and I know how to handle that honestly better than OpenDP. Right? So we, as usual, running based on use like this three class. Those three like three class. That's like file. Or we can see job on top of the room guys.
Small data set.
I have we make some.
This is the very beginning. That's it.
Like. Many jobs, yeah, combined with it's more exciting. For prepping the data, we're taking a subset of the individuals using them.
You can
Excited. My group. Most useful.
Yeah, just.
Yeah.
Let's just.
When we're doing on this cheaper, do we know?
International.
You grab it. Yes. Don't you go and I speak the optimal language? It's obviously Spanish. Just dead silence. Are you doing a project? Composition bound again, like.
I'm trying to understand. That's the one there.
You can run code on your iPhone.
Yeah, the book has one. Written Python. I think, I mean, it's just using the class. So I think. Probably.
No, I didn't mean to.
Just based on this line. Whereas I think this one is.
And so you want to. It's like.
I think otherwise I would have shown up and just said, "Yes, the dots."
To be honest, I'm struggling a bit because I'm all abreast. So I'm kind of just taking along with that, what I was doing, but. No, for sure.
I fit some pretty big CSV.
If
it's under 25 megs.
I don't know how much did you.
It's 4.2 megabytes.
No, yeah.
Okay, can you move the shell command for checking the time?
Oh, it's EU dash. You could EU, then and then the name of the file system.
Oh, okay.
Or actually, you could EU dash alpha.
Because I haven't installed.
Here, let me ask GPT.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's. Lord.
I mean,
Oh, it's a quarter of. It's a quarter.
Um,
1.5.
source code. Okay, you can do du dash s sh dash space, no, sorry, space, legal file.
Does it have to be in both fields?
No,
What did I need if I selected?
you can just, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
All right, cool. And I should have received an email by now. How do you upload?
How do you announce that?
How do you upload to get so file, no, I might do this is fun.
Oh, right. And then,
Have another thing.
Yes.
Maybe it's bugged, but
all right.
it's like if I rerun, if I just accidentally run the phone, then I try to do this, it would tell me that. the random general is-
I think it's in.
If I saw it.
Be careful. Oh my God. The same one. Oh yeah, I did use my Gmail, sorry.
Be like a conversation.
What's?
When you read it, it's out there. But I know it's happening. I think it's happening.
Demographic information.
It doesn't have the right version of the currency.
Best
Is it
network architecture.
If it doesn't have the right version.
That's one of the language models, by the way.
Everything's done.
Oh.
Yeah, that's true. If I ask. Yeah, whatever. I mean, you can one copy code and then run it. So.
So I don't know.
No.
No, I
The
can't.
PyTorch will handle the one copy code.
Increase sensitivity.
Yeah.
If we apply one. Then you move that one plus like one over two.
Oh, really? That's good.
Yeah, actually, I think audio.
Why? Okay. There's already so many.
No, it's all good.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, no. it's all
So
good.
I will finish like the hard.
Yeah, to be honest, I never saw the analysis of this.
Does the library pretend that we don't have fees over here? We have to get-
I mean, it sounds like,
Legals of the solos. Does it expect me to not have those?
No, the library should be.
Sounds like it's already-
It's just saying that we cannot release the whole.
Yes, I've been receiving that actually.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Actually, did you add something when it's really, make sure to go on. Right.
Can you send us? I don't think we
I
can.
just-
You can't see it?
I don't think we can see it if we do that, so just send it to us.
one thing I was
Copy
wondering
everyone?
is,
Yes.
like, where is the?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, did you-
Downloading on them.
Oh, no, sorry, I didn't
How are
email.
they sampling from mobile
Y'all
files?
never found the email.
Well,
Is it something?
Okay,
Yeah, I got an easy. Yeah.
Actually, that thing only spells funny because everything else is like by.
That Gmail are very similar.
Think that I'll like that column. Press it on the-
Are.
big int.
.edu, yes. We
Let's
graduated,
make a lot of questions.
only the bougie.
Oh, wait, you're not using the phone, you still want to? Okay, still.
Okay, so how do I make it stay? You know.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
It's another.
I lost.
Okay, I see, okay.
It's in
Well, it's NBC. JUAN.
Yeah.
JUAN. 1702 at gmail.com.
Oh.
We love randomly generated addresses. Let's have run. Did you?
Wait, 1 second, I can do it.
It's going.
It's, that's not my email. I can just type it in.
Yeah, stuck it in because I. If I. Where do you think?
So angry. You can do at gmail.com.
That's the part I messed
What
up.
is that?
We can do it. I believe in you.
All right, this, yeah, no, weird.
No, we're just sharing the data.
Yeah, because I uploaded the data. Oh, wait, of course you can see it. Look, done. Going.
No, that's the disk space. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Sharing the data.
Ah, I think.
Yes, I did.
I didn't get it.
I got it.
You didn't?
I mean, okay.
Scaling into a rational.
I see, but like.
Oh, it's because I didn't add you.
Which is like arbitrary.
No, what is the add? Oh, yeah, I got you right here.
So like the thing you put inside the columns.
You get it.
Bidding.
My third.
Can we, I thought we like said, you can't do this. Variance right now, so the polars. But couldn't you do it with the width columns, and there's a square?
Square portion.
Yeah, you can do this.
No, so.
I think you can.
When we see square, we don't know
Oh,
anything
okay.
about it.
We're trying to. Maybe this is proper.
Oh, it's like.
I don't wanna.
I mean, you do see the review. Pretty simple adaptation. Take
So multiplication,
this,
not the
and then just add the objection. the same thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
here.
no, right there.
Like, it's not like. Probably library. So if we start, you know, trying to make it. We can do it.
Can we just make it work?
We'll make it work, but not prove it.
Yeah.
And then once we have to prove it, that's with all the rational bits of that works.
Yeah, no, I was just curious. I mean, I'm just reading the polars document, right? You could bring the polar. Without. Your column. Then we just do that. Or variant, but then. So there's. Now you can.
So like. Still. It's going to be something forever.
Yeah. Necessarily. Right.
Okay, it's like, yeah.
Because that's how neural nets work, right? Predict this kind of thing.
Yeah, I just got
You told me.
We can also predict that. I was just using that as.
Sorry, it's just one.
You just was here and see. Check on
I know.
Income statement.
Oh, is there a way to use just the ID and ID? Just
Making it. Try to play around with this.
We can fix that with the CSV.
We tried it.
Okay, so like next, and how would you just like where should I work?
Oh, I think you can create, how is that, so you just take over, you add it in small, so maybe you can write one here, my location and out there.
So let me show you something. So if you, for example, so here, I did, but it's, so here with the tendencies, like icons, and the CSV also. So what I measure you, is you can like, you need the hash, you need to compress it, and then you can say.
I mean, what do you think are just actually?
And then from here, you can do.
Yeah, you can just add
This is, okay, so we usually too much, but they have these, and then here you can hide it. Break it out.
So it's the override, yes, like that's class definition. Override.
Right.
So it's very. But. First thing that's like. Okay, what's the class definition here? There is, it sees it, it's inside, so I'm making it then. So how to like get these done. These things that are supposed to. But like I have also like. Right, it's just. There isn't. Right.
Right.
I think that.
I think like the idea is just making sure that those.
So the control income. So we're actually interested in this income labor coding. So minimum is 0, max is basically a million. More. If you look at the size, we have over 2,000. But the unique numbers, there's only 8,000 under SCA. Because we want to make so. A good way to visualize this is. What? I think. Oh. Sorry, I thought I was using, oh, no, yeah, okay, here's the small, sorry, let me use the small.
It's hard for me, you can have the long version in code and pro those.
Oh, yeah, I do have Pro, so I don't even really, I use Google Colab so often that it's worth it for me. What's installed? Yeah, like, okay, no, lots of stuff. A lot of database, so. Yeah, it's not Harvard, it's not. Okay, this is the updated. It's gonna be a lot easier to work with a small data set.
It's gonna take short amount of traffic rate.
I think we should,
Where are we at?
Good question. So.
I at a quick glance, there's no. So maybe they're not.
If we want to train. We cannot use open PCs to get that. Yeah, it's super. For example, I mean, the only way to shoot that I can see was the way
Yeah, exactly, because we don't have.
no, we would have to use an extra partner, about another software to use. And I would recommend Abacus, like the system. What?
No, really.
No.
Oh.
Just,
I was
I saw. Also,
Right now.
some people doing.
Okay, so.
Yeah, we can use.
We can't use open.
Yeah. It is. It will be a little complicated.
Guiding to this would be.
Okay, if we're doing
This generic stuff.
what's at the start and then.
I think that's gonna be a
Teacher. I mean, some thought needs to go into how we string. For example, if we want to, so for example, here, if our feature tag is continuous. And that's not straightforward, we have Gaussian. Let's do the income labor total, this we have understand. It's just like a generic.
Sorry, so what did they?
So much using, it just said just highlights everything. Thanks.
They're like. It's a blood that needs to always.
That's.
Oh, okay.
I see.
Okay. So that's just the rust with.
They came up with more aggressive than I intended. Well, so let's say the data analysis.
They're open to use.
Like it needs to be this type. So I'm thinking like, presumably Instagram, sorry. implemented, how about like a correlation of
There's some internal APIs used to use.
Okay.
It's fine. Right, are you thinking of like X transpose X kind of,
Yeah, yeah, just for like feature.
so like the thing that you really kind of like out, I guess, you know.
Yeah, I'm thinking of the specific API. Needs to just. That one's a code engine, just when you get plugged into the router.
So for example, like what else? I'm trying to think of what else we can do. You're right. Instagram's that's a no-brainer. It's just like without these things, I'm thinking about the other things. But
I think feel free to use the plugin API that.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
I'd like to have more functionality.
Yeah, I understand. It's hard to. Yeah, it's hard. Sure. Or that is the most. This will grow for much longer than that, but is there part of the docs that you can?
Yeah.
So I mean, this day, just to get like bother you, I mean, you can save me like tens of minutes.
Yeah. Specifically,
What is the whole select? Here are some of the. So, searching the point that I thought from the searching documentation, that's like the selecting column. What columns might I get like the values with some specific column.
And then I could,
So. Take like the comments and you know. So I don't know how to do my account. It's the brand. Like, I also have to say, I don't know.
So I think that might be like sort of.
For example, here we have, so I would like to show, even if it's not sort of like, it's like just a simple one, just an Instagram, but it costs. For example, just release that first privately. Is there like a direct API for that, or is another?
so you also fields.
There's like three of these sort of top level. It is folders, and then each of them sort of has a establishes the like. But it's like, oh, and what am I going to use? Key in the type.
Okay, great.
Got it.
And then this one.
Okay, so just for.
Right.
so like, there, I think that there's like three.
So,
I just
structure would probably be like.
Just want to look at the top one. So you need to group by. So I think there's. I'm just really like. Slack that. So. Which one? It'll pick the maps. Right. Looks like it's doing stuff right now. It's really just sort of setting up. It's just sort of setting up the stat where it looks like it's like, oh, I had no lights or it was something, all that stuff. It's like not really. It's just really. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just like.
I was thinking, the comment I wanted to make is.
You feel like aggregations, it's worth paying for the.
Expressions look like this.
It's okay, it's supposed to.
Do you have a? But you have a.
Okay.
So what would we be doing?
I mean, it's like one of those. So we would say,
I guess I'm just wondering.
Squeeze the measurements.
I get the idea to.
Been slowly speaking less and less Swedish to me as time has gone on.
Fine.
No, that's okay. No, I guess it's why I use how much I need to add here. Versus how much I can do.
You want to get so
Like,
that.
it's yeah.
I'm definitely on board for using.
Yeah. So the discrete class, so we would use.
Thank you. Yeah. Gotcha.
Sorry, maybe I'm just running.
Right.
So I
Oh,
will put
I mean, it's not.
the tail bound for the discrete.
yeah.
So we would need to compute
Yes.
the tail bound on the discrete.
What do you?
Yeah, and then rescale it to the floating.
Exactly what I was.
Right. So I guess one place to start.
So like, I'm looking to.
So much. That's more questions as I have them.
Yeah. Okay.
They're the same. Okay. The idea is,
That's. I don't think
and we sample the coding.
I guess they
Might be.
Yeah.
So like,
Yeah.
is itself lazy, the little bit like hitting delta, so. This is the floating.
Also, dot goodbye, dot add, and that's a thing, it makes sense for you to want to run more things afterwards.
Oh, and that's. But I think it's like. Okay, that's a pretty good line. I'm gonna. Just always show difference and then add your save.
So what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. No. Wait, save again. So control S. Show things. And then save. So it's. I'm sorry.
Right? I think that,
I'm just gonna add a new code.
input the need for make private architecture.
Oh, no.
That's more.
No.
Yes, exactly. And that requires. SSCP is a single experience. Oh, okay. I think I've heard that for layers. Before they mention.
That's
We're using the the team wants to use right, like we have things that are.
Well, I don't know, it's a very specific use case.
I was like within
It's
the. I think those would be
PCA.
in my understanding.
You get the API, it's very close.
Okay.
Yeah.
from here to here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, same thing with delta, capital delta. Up or down.
Yeah.
Sensitivity.
Yeah.
To up and down.
I think it's not.
Not an argument. This.
Oh, okay.
That's a this study. And so
That's not really.
Trying to
The most simple. That's like a scale. No, something. So what I oh, sorry, this is the one that's changed. I'm really trying to step down. And then as a price. We treated it. Maybe.
Yeah, that's what
I might run another remote check in and say, if D and money and stuff like that. So.
Notice that we can
Either
do
that
that.
or KCSE.
So what would this need to go into?
Okay.
Yes. So it can be.
Which is weird, just even
But
like,
it's still-
Still be okay, even though I'm not. Yeah.
I think it's just like, the mean and the metric always come in here.
Yes. So it's we need going in class. Probably
The other question was, I was then trying to like, so this looks okay. That's as an input, I'm taking it.
I think the TO is awesome.
No, I was actually doing weird. That means.
So in this case,
which means that
make your privilege terms.
delta here.
You've already specified. That
I understand a little bit now.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's
Just call it very small. And also, if you want to.
Those two.
Right, it's like this was. What do you want?
I was just gonna go back and try to put it to income, but like you expect that the.
Yeah. I was running the regressions.
What I'm missing is you can write in margin.
Like how do you change?
I would just grab this.
You can.
And so.
Yeah, I just
replace
And now I essentially.
especially if you're look at this in the
We have scale. I don't think is maximum. of the-
Yeah, that's what we do. In this setting, you can read it off.
Epsilon's almost always.
It does. It is here.
Across
So.
all the users. Doing anything different in this.
Oh, it's
Can be done, but
a sensitivity.
it's up to them.
Like in.
This is
I don't know, you need to put keys, these new keys.
Yeah. Like that'll tell you what it is.
Yeah, keys and buttons.
Yeah. Another setting is where it's got the space. That's because.
Over. For.
It takes.
And allocate. Epsilon.
So it's to be. Output domain. This, on the previous thing. In this case.
I agree, as far as like that would be a lot harder.
As far as like
Than
the sensitivity. Class.
For now.
Same.
So like at the end of the day, you're always building a measure this.
Yeah.
Multiplying input.
So I guess.
Or a transformation. If you go to. If it's a gun function, then. It waits to. Specify. So.
Oh, just, yeah, because we're relying on that.
There's no arguments other than. It's like you can. This is just a really similar question. Because.
I mean, it feels like the way.
It's like.
Doesn't.
Seems like.
Feels like the kind of thing I want to take. No.
Character.
No, honestly, it's something I'm.
Yeah. We need to save the CSV in a different. Just remember was especially easy frame on the So we just save the CSV again in a different encoding. So you can specify the encoding.
I see. What's a good program to use to, can I do it in Microsoft Excel? Open it up.
Using handouts. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how to.
I mean, if you motivation, you have solutions.
I'm just working like collabs.
Oh, okay, cool, you do have that.
All right.
So you could do import handout as PD.
There's a quick joy
Oh, and so anything that
you know, do
it's like automatically
we got value. Yeah, it's
like
we can do things.
Yeah, honestly, it's
And the thing is trying to change here. Like Instagram, plain. I said P. So.
Figure out which period of time that's related, but there's too many.
No, I mean. It's like.
Oh, it's
Why not?
no, honestly, this.
Yeah, this is something I wanted to mention, like in theory, like an actual you would not ever do this, right? Right, because you can't see, the whole idea is that you can't see everything. So every single time you query the data, you can use some of your private data, you come your legit. So.
Pretend we didn't do
The goal is not trophies, man.
Okay, let's just randomly pick.
You could use the.
Imagine that there's.
So that was being.
Yes, I mean, you can set it.
So you're already in these four.
Now, it's here for that one. Let's say there's.
Save the data set in a way that.
The outcome you're looking for.
Mike seemed to.
That's like-
Also showing that the theoretical would be
Just like.
delete all that.
Thanks so much.
I'm not familiar with all like.
Right,
Set
so
dot
if you would expect the theory to run the code with zero, if you wanted to, but if you had anything you wanted it to.
I just wanted to, I mean, I've used it like in Canvas.
That's zero, I mean, I'm not like this. Which I don't know.
I see, I see, so like that would reveal a problem.
Right, which maybe it's not probably.
Like would it be list 0, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and then the bits be 0, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Oh, I see.
I see it.
So I was trying to tell you there's fine and aggregate.
Got it.
I was thinking like, no, I think that's more than enough for us.
Sure, there. Outputs. Could be a lot of people.
I'm having trouble using the differential privates. I don't know the non.
Right.
Yeah, I don't want to stop you.
And then dealing with.
Wait, you said like effectively treating everybody who falls that pass as if they were isolated.
Yes, these don't come up on reveal.
We don't have to.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I had an easier time in that.
Yeah.
In the previous hackathon, the framework API, that was fun. You had that work.
Were you constrained somehow here to do?
No, I wanted to learn about
Actually, it's folders.
data frame. It's basically SQL-less.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Yeah, so this is apparently easier. to use other data.
Okay, I don't want to stop you.
It's totally perfect.
We're both analyzing that, so I'm trying to see other scenarios.
Yeah, except they don't have squirrel IDs, so it's
So
yeah, hoping they squirrel here. That's only been cited. Oh, squirrel hiding in the other side.
Oh, okay, sorry, I just like you squirrel letter in my note.
Another programming language.
SQRL or something.
actual smalls.
I was looking at. I think so. Right, Mike, this the squirrel data set is real.
There's a.
Like a private PCA.
So I think this could possibly be referring to.
We should make it those.
Maybe you can do that, because
Turkeys.
think of the life, like,
I feel like the geese already nailed like canon. So like, you know, can you really tell one goose from the other?
Oh, no, that's.
Oh, yeah.
Person.
make a new blog and then.
Which is already implemented that way.
Yeah.
So we make it
Cool.
It's like. Oh yeah, you need to use DP. It doesn't really tell you. Amazing. Most likely he's going on to. I haven't done like. But because we have. What do you call it? Yeah, yeah.
I don't know, I don't say, I think you have to do something here. I don't know.
Would we use something?
It's like,
Yeah.
but it's not clear to me if you want to like remove some of the like how much price.
Oh, it's not like that.
I don't know.
That's it. Anything we just need the experts and they do that. Like, I don't know, algorithms, because I. Oh. No, it's just because this was just treating it as like, the trailing comma makes it into a ton.
Oh,
It's just treating it as the string. Yeah, it's a string, and you're putting it in parentheses. That's not just a string, so that.
Too many explanations of this.
Which features are 100, we put it decrease it without.
Okay,
The features will not be.
it won't make any sense, but it's.
They won't make sense, yes, but they will be.
A single key.
No, it works, yeah. It's just like, you know, if your features are income, there's gender and stuff like that, after PCA, it could be some combination of them.
Like when you check back, the processing. Like you transform it to make it smaller and then you.
Yeah, because it's a match, and it's like, oh.
What if you say?
That's the match, yeah.
It's actually, like, my question is, it's the.
Make it smaller, you can also run smaller.
Nice. Well, yeah, he's smaller.
You're lucky that I actually have the answer.
Yeah, I guess I didn't know.
Whatever.
the training information or the labels are smaller. But then when you print it,
Because it's not.
your results predict.
This is
Small print, put it through. Maybe I'm remembering it.
And it's kind of think about. So what we do is so I can see what you're saying. The thing is in our case, we are related to science sheets. What I can do, so I'm not sure if you can input in features like do PCA and then reverse back and then again give income. Ignoring those and that type of thing. I don't.
Yeah, how it is random. So, she gets it. I don't like it, but it's nice when you do, but
That's true. See what I write down.
it's like,
Polars,
like.
assuming that like, okay, I'm gonna be
Like,
interactive,
part of this.
and look at it. And like, different framework, I talk about, nope. Look at that.
Yeah.
And so, the only way you're using slide up, I would say it was good. You get a data set and then has data coding, but I'm a little lost on. What problem are we trying to solve? I'm a little lost. Yeah.
Why not just all this chair, but like.
And do
just-
what?
Again, it's one problem.
Exactly, no, okay.
We're doing
What
regression.
are we doing? Regression?
Guys, you know regression is implemented.
No, I just.
The other.
Just pick random,
We do histograms for
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
It's here it is. We do histograms for now.
figure out, check this. Figure out more.
That's what.
But that's.
Wait, can we figure out a smart way to
How about
figure,
this? How do we do that one?
Okay, so
Okay.
let's-
So we're doing, so we want to release a histogram, but we have two main, we need to decide what types of histograms. we want to make.
Right.
Like. We could just, I mean, we could do something simple that. Like just releasing histogram, it's like, and we don't need to worry about, what's the main correlation, like income, like it's like, disabilities or whatever, what is most correlated, I think, because we don't even worry about it. We can just think about position and stuff.
Yeah.
Income.
Oh,
is like,
as
long as you have a Google.
I mean, how it's. Like, yeah, I'm confused. Like, Yes, we can also do by year, right? Or we can do, yes, once we have that histogram, then we can do whatever post processing we want, that's right, it's already privatized, we already added.
Yeah, I guess you can.
So anything else we do on top of it.
Yeah, it's like,
Will
you don't,
maintain.
you don't have to like keep the most of it, you just involve it.
Yeah, or not all of them, so that we can pick some. Here, guys, I'm trying to get the histogram working. Start doing everything. But I want you to apply it. I don't know anything about this. Back. It's throwing, so this is something I just wanted to bring to your attention. It throws, to me, this is a bit of a cryptic message. Please pass the filtering threshold to make private lazy frame. Now, I know that is probably something to do.
This is a good, issue to raise. So from the perspective of that, at that point, it's expecting some kind of.
What is it?
Someone in this region says.
Nobody wants to, since the key set is private. Nobody wants to release keys that counts that are above. some threshold.
So how?
Number of occurrences of.
Oh, I see.
It's confident that wavering data. That key doesn't. go.
And so when you say the word filtering threshold here, does that mean delta or some?
It's the number that the count has to be bigger than.
Okay, you can just manually pass that.
You could now pass it in.
Okay.
How much is this? This is not amazing to the floor. Conference for what?
Something else? I thought I was careful.
Because we're going to here until like 2 3 4 hours and
How long do you have? Yeah, about two. You can play this. I believe it was.
I wonder.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, I'm just.
It's a bit about,
second. Do you want some?
Yeah, I'm just gonna, never mind, there's water in here.
I'm just gonna put it in.
So,
What's the last?
yeah, we'll do it.
I don't.
I'll just send you the, yeah, I'll send you the one.
It's that water.
Sorry.
Is that water drinking?
I'm learning everything. We are all learning something.
I don't know. We should take.
No, first look. No, I'm dead serious. No, I'm serious too. We're reporting a bug fix. Interesting behavior.
there's a case where
Old bugs.
choice of delta causes. The library and
Yeah, if you could copy paste in the non-clothing from say above threshold.
Yep.
And like maybe we could use it somehow.
Yeah, sure.
Um,
Or just don't specify delta and let it do what it does.
Yeah, it was just 10. It turned out to not like deltas below 10. It's fine. Here.
I don't know if it's all.
Good to know. Yeah, so I just sent you the data set. Oh, just making sure I'm sending you all the. Just wait.
Oh,
So, yeah. Okay. Oh, where did our friends go?
They went to get the extension kits.
Okay.
The rest of them are not entirely.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So-
they're all in this folder.
What delta?
So.
Okay, it looks good to me, but I think you also need.
What did you get?
okay, I was looking at the GSI.
Oh, wait, this is it. Why does it make it one?
Do you know?
It's so here that Chris.
Oh. Okay, so here's my point. So.
I'm actually downloading Opacus, which is like a huge dependency thing.
So this, like the type of the return is
Yeah, so this is from So here we're passing in the data. I'll explain later what passing the data. Privacy unit. This is the number of rows.